the way to teach her the word come is to repeat it while she's in the act of doing it.
Okay.
Right? So the way I'll do it, if you do the exact same thing, I'm going to drop the leash. She's close to you. I'm not that worried. I'm going to take 4 little pieces, which are 2 pieces broken up, and I'm going to throw them on the ground. And I'm going to run right past Brian. I'm going to go, right? And I'm going to go this way, and I'm going to say, Mellow, Mellow, come, 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 come. Yeah, good girl, good girl.